Although he had killed Jin Cheng-hin once, this person's profession characteristics were truly extraordinary. Trying to kill him permanently would not be possible at the moment. In fact, finding a method to permanently kill Jin Cheng-hin in the National Trial's secret realm was truly a headache-inducing problem. After thinking it over, Lu Fan decided not to waste more energy on it. If I can't kill him now, so be it. I'll just kill him whenever we meet. Even if he can revive, the pain is unavoidable. Lu Fan used the fallen corpse magic dragon to order the Demon Knights back to guard the Dark Castle, preventing any more raids. Soon, he left the Dark Castle again to continue searching for mission scrolls. Meanwhile, somewhere else in the National Trial, a hand reached out from underground, raising dust. Jin Cheng-hin and Musashi Ten pushed aside the soil covering them, emerging from underground in an extremely sorry state, covered in nauseating fluid. After climbing out, they could see the shrunken head of an abyss entangler below the ground, which was slowly losing its life essence. They both revived, and they sat on the ground, breathing heavily. Looking at his hands while panting, Musashi Ten said in disbelief, I really died. Musashi Ten was shocked and said, This is really amazing, Jin-san. Your professional attributes are truly extraordinary. When you said you could help me revive, I was skeptical. But now, I must believe it. With such a powerful skill, aren't you invincible? Jin Cheng-hin says, stammering his words upon hearing this. Don't be too excited, Jin Cheng-hin still hadn't recovered from the shock from before, his eyes filled with fear. Although my skill can revive us, activating this skill depletes life essence. In the outside world, life essence can still be collected by hunting demons and humans. But the demons in the secret realm and dungeon instances do not have life essence. Without being able to replenish life essence, the number of times we can die and be resurrected is limited. Although I prepared and accumulated quite a bit of life essence before entering the National Trial, which was enough for us to handle various situations in the secret realm, but, at this point, Jin Cheng-hin seemed to remember everything that had just happened, his face filled with helpless anger. No matter how many chances we get, no matter how many times we can be resurrected, it's useless against him. You saw everything just now, right? Who knows what methods Lu Fan used? He actually even enslaved a boss like the Demon General. With the Demon General, we can't compete with him. This is the worst case scenario. Not only is he ranked first, but even if I use an ultimate mission scroll and target him, we still can't beat him. How can we surpass him in points like this? At this, Jin Cheng-hin heaved a long sigh. Jin Cheng-hin's words silenced Musashi Ten as well. After a long while, Jin Cheng-hin regained some composure and gritted his teeth. Now is not the time to give up. The national trials haven't ended yet. I can't give up like this, Musashi Ten asked. So, what are you planning to do? After thinking, Jin Cheng-hin said, let's find another dark castle and see if it really is what Lu Fan said, whether the demon army is really inside. That's probably how he earned so many points. In that case, let's try to earn as many points as possible. With my Abyss Symbiosis skill, we definitely won't die in the secret area. So we don't have to worry too much about our safety. If we earn more points, we can help our countries gain more resources when it comes time for the final calculation. Yes, that makes sense, Musashi Ten agreed and was about to stand up, but just as he got to his feet, he fell down again. He was startled, then asked confused. Jin-san, why do I feel like I have no strength at all? Jin Cheng-hin looked at him and explained, after just being revived, your attributes need time to recover. After about 10 minutes, when your attributes return to normal, everything will be fine. Oh, I see. That's a relief, Musashi Ten nodded. At that moment, however, a whistling sound suddenly rang through the air. Before Jin Cheng-hin and Musashi Ten could react, a giant hammer engulfed in flames descended from above and smashed Musashi Ten's head hard. His 4 attributes had not yet been raised. After recovering, how could Musashi Ten withstand such an attack? Before he could comprehend what was happening, his body disintegrated, dying again. Seeing this, Jin Chenghin was stunned at first. Then, looking at Musashi Ten's attacker, he cursed his extreme misfortune. They had just been revived, only to bump into another country's representative. What was worse was that this was no ordinary representative, but the representative of Feather Country, who he had clashed with before. Andre lightly kicked the hammer's head. And the huge hammer returned to his shoulder. He held the hammer's handle in one hand, and his face showed pleasant surprise. Well, what do we have here? What a lucky day. Before it was time to eat, someone delivered the points right to my door. Let me see who it is. Isn't this Jin Chenghin, the representative of the extremist country? What are you doing here? You want to play whack-a-mole with me? Saying this, Andre's eyes narrowed, clearly remembering what had happened between them before. If I remember correctly, didn't we tell each other not to meet in the secret realm? What would happen if we met? The muscles on Jin Chenghin's face twitched violently. If he hadn't fully recovered with his attributes yet, he would naturally not be afraid of Andre. In the worst case, they would simply fight. But now, he was as fragile as a newborn baby. Meeting Andre was only giving him points. How could he be so unlucky today? Getting killed by Lu Fan was one thing, but after being revived, running into Andre, of all people, Jin Chenghin was almost crazy. But before he could say anything, he saw Andre swing his war hammer at him. If you want to play whack-a-mole, I'll play with you, *bang*. A moment later, Andre looked at the two broken corpses on the ground and said in confusion, strange, I killed them both, yet I didn't get any points. After that, soon, half a month passed. The excitement of the national trials never faded, with every fluctuation in points and rankings, causing heated discussions among citizens domestically and internationally. This year's national trials were quite different from previous years. In previous years, representatives from Dragon Country, Feather Country, and Star Stripe Country chased each other for the top 3 spots in the rankings, changing positions almost every day, leaving everyone puzzled. Sometimes, representatives from smaller countries would unexpectedly overtake and join the top 3. However, this year was creating a situation that had never happened before. Eventually, Lu Fan single-handedly dominated the first place with an iron fist. For more than half a month, Lu Fan led with over 7 million points. His first place was now unshakable. No one knew how Lu Fan obtained so many points. In previous years, when the national trials ended, the first place would still only have 1 million points. But Lu Fan had completely broken that record more than 7 times. The voices questioning Lu Fan's methods in the extremist country never stopped. However, no one had any evidence to prove that Lu Fan had cheated to get so many points. So, even though the people in the extremist country protested, they could not stop the national trials from continuing. Apart from Lu Fan in first place, the others had far more points than usual. Charles ranked second with 720k points. Andre ranked third with 680k points. Jin Chenghin ranked fourth with 510k points. Musashi Ten ranked fifth with 460k points. After half a month, only 10 of the 23 country representatives remained. The rest were either killed by demons or hunted down by representatives from other countries. Otherwise, they reduced their points to 0 for self-preservation and quickly withdrew. This year's national trial was undoubtedly the one with the most casualties. During this period, many representatives from smaller countries had repeatedly requested for the trial to be ended. But their requests were not granted. In fact, Lu Fan did not know whether others approved this request or not, but he had rejected all such attempts to end the trial prematurely. Although Lu Fan was already first, he still wanted to gain as many points as possible to secure more resources for the Dragon Country. At the same time, the crazy Hell Demon revived and stood next to the other 8 Hell Demons. Lu Fan descended from the fallen corpse magic dragon and now looked at the entire group of 9 Hell Demons and the countless demons that formed the demon army, feeling excited. If you guys want to see the next part, then please subscribe our channel, share and like the video.